What's going on, everyone? We are almost to the better part of being close to approaching the halfway-ish point of this mural. I saw how Kelly was using masking tape to pre-paint an area and figure it out compositionally. I'm going to try to use that same technique to paint a vast landscape, starting with rocks in the foreground at the top of this mountain plateau where Homura is fighting, and take it all the way out across the valley. I want this to be detailed and rewarding to look at, but it can't distract from the main topic, which is Homura. I'm going to stick with the grayscales and use as much negative space as possible. If you want to see the Homura and ribbon sections of this mural, go to our channel, subscribe, and watch those videos. Watch all the videos. To do this in multiple shades of gray, tying in black at the bottom. And I think the composition is balanced. It's going to work perfectly with our main figure. The leading lines take your eye naturally to her, and yet it's not going to be so busy that it's going to take away from her. We'll go ahead and tie in a pagoda here, a couple little houses here, and we'll put a little bridge down here. And other than that, it's going to be a simple landscape. So let's get painting. That was pretty fast. In our next episode, we'll be wrapping up this project. How? With what? I don't know. But thanks for joining us here at White Paint and Pastels. Please subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll see you back here on the first Friday of every month. Check out my website and use any of the links below to buy any art supplies you might need. But most importantly, get out there and keep doing art because life's a medium.